What does water renewal mean to you?
It means cleaning our used water before it's returned to the Boise River.
It means finding creative ways to recycle organic matter to support local crop production.
It means capturing methane gas to heat our facilities.
It means developing innovative solutions
that enhance our quality of life through research and development.
It means creating fiscally responsible methods for managing our region's water resources.
Who are these men and women who make it all possible?
Engineers,
maintenance technicians,
scientists,
operators,
landscapers,
attorneys,
educators,
administrators,
researchers, and data analysts.
We are skilled professionals, environmental stewards, and champions of clean water.
We are residents of this great city, and we work hard every day
to make Boise a clean, safe, and vibrant city.
Why is it important to manage our city's renewable resources?
Because there's a limited amount of water available for all of us on the planet.
It's what we enjoy when we play and recreate
in our lakes and rivers
and the beautiful outdoors.
Because used water is a precious, renewable resource which, managed properly, provides for a sustainable environment.
The team at the City of Boise's Water Renewal Services is working 24/7, striving to make Boise the most livable city in the country. Because we think it's important to give new life to used water.